If you want to be a data analyst, you have to know how to calculate quartiles, so let's do an Excel demo. Here we have a list of 12 students along with their test scores, and this data is sorted from least to greatest, and what we're going to do is we're going to calculate quartiles. Now, if you're new to quartiles, this just means that we're going to split the data up into quarters or 4 equal chunks. Since we have 12 records, we're going to divide that by the 4 chunks. This gives us 3 records per quarter. Take these first 3 records here, assign them to quarter 1, then we'll take the next 3, assign them to quarter 2, and so forth. Now that we have the data visually divided here, we're going to go ahead and create this quartile summary. For the first part of our summary, we're going to calculate the first quartile, and we're going to do that by using this formula here. We're going to do an equals quartile, and then we're going to specify the data range, and then we're going to say comma 1, and that means for the first quartile. Now this gives us a value of 76%, and the reason that it's 76 is this is the boundary value between that first quartile and the second quartile. More specifically, it's saying that all the values in the first quartile are less than 76%. Next, we'll go ahead and calculate that second, third, and fourth quartile using the same formula. Now that we have our quartiles calculated, let's talk about how to interpret this data. When we look at the third quartile, we see a value of 85%. This means that all of the records in the first, second, and third quartile have a test score of less than 85%. Different way of explaining this would be to say that 3/4 of all the records that we see here have a test score of less than 85%. And there you have it. That's quartiles for you in Excel, and if you want to know how to do this in SQL, there's some more links in my bio.